Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by drawing 2 chords across the circle. This is the only reliable way to locate the center. Use a straight edge and pencil to mark endpoints cleanly. Once done, label each chord's endpoints so you don't confuse lines later. Make sure the chords are not parallel and not the same line. That ensures their perpendicular bisectors will intersect. This step sets up everything. Accuracy here directly affects the final center location, so take a steady, deliberate approach. Next, you construct the perpendicular bisector of each chord because the center lies on every perpendicular bisector of a chord. First, with a compass, find each chord's midpoint by intersecting arcs from both endpoints, then draw a straight perpendicular line through that midpoint. Once you have both bisectors, extend them well beyond the circle so their intersection is clear. Make sure your compass width stays consistent while transferring arcs. Inconsistency shifts the bisector and ruins the accuracy. Finally, where the 2 perpendicular bisectors cross is the center of the circle. Mark that point. You can verify by using a compass set to that point and checking that it reaches the circle at equal distances. Pick 3 points to confirm consistent radii. If the marks don't match, retrace your perpendicular bisectors, re-establish midpoints, and check compass placement. Small endpoint or arc errors cause the most problems. Once confirmed, you've found the center reliably and reproducibly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.